Swiftnotes. AI is a brand new AI tool that's taking the digital space by storm, and today I'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or just someone curious about the latest AI technology, this review is for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to decide if Swiftnotes is right for you. Plus, if you want to give it a try for yourself, you can check it out for free with the link below. Let's dive straight into what makes Swiftnotes unique. First off, this tool is all about automating and simplifying your note-taking process. It uses advanced AI algorithms to instantly summarize and organize information, which can save you hours of manual work. Imagine if you could read an entire research paper or article and get the key points distilled into a few seconds. That's exactly what Swiftnotes does for you. But it doesn't stop there. One of the standout features of Swiftnotes is its ability to adapt to different content styles. Whether you're summarizing long-form blog posts, social media content, or even your personal thoughts, it can intelligently tailor the output to fit your needs. You simply input your content, and Swiftnotes will create concise, easy-to-understand summaries that maintain all the crucial details. This makes it an excellent tool for anyone dealing with a lot of content, whether it's for professional or personal use. Another huge benefit is how seamless the software integrates with other tools. If you're already using a note-taking app like Evernote, Notion, or even Google Docs, Swiftnotes can sync with them effortlessly. This is perfect for digital marketers, students, or anyone who relies on organized notes but doesn't want to completely switch up their workflow. Swiftnotes blends right into your existing setup without any hiccups. Now, if you're worried about customization, don't be. Swiftnotes gives you full control over how your notes are generated. You can adjust the length of the summaries, highlight key points, and even choose how formal or casual the tone should be. This makes it perfect for different use cases, whether you're crafting a professional report or just jotting down personal notes. But here's something that'll really get you excited. Swiftnotes, AI doesn't just summarize, it also learns and improves over time. The more you use it, the more accurate and personalized it gets. So, if you're someone who works with specific topics or industries, you'll notice that the software gets better at tailoring its summaries to your niche, which can save you even more time in the future. Security and privacy are another major focus for Swiftnotes. They use end-to-end encryption, which means your information is safe and won't be shared with third parties. For anyone concerned about their data, especially when using AI tools, this is a crucial feature to note. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Unlike many other AI tools, Swiftnotes offers a free version, which is perfect for testing it out and seeing if it fits your needs. But even their premium plans are competitively priced, considering the value they bring. It's a great option for businesses and individuals alike. So if you're wondering whether Swiftnotes AI is the right tool for you, I'd say it's definitely worth trying out. Whether you're looking to streamline your note-taking process, save time on content summarization, or just make your work life easier, Swiftnotes delivers on all fronts. Before you go, remember I've linked the best AI software tools in the description below that I've personally tested. After using thousands of AI tools, these are my top picks, and you can try them for free. Check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.